Okay, so editor.glyphMargin controls whether the editor should render the vertical glyph margin. Glyph margin is mostly used for debugging. Not only that, but sure. What's the glyph margin? The glyph margin is this margin to the left of the line number, right? And in this case, if you're on a settings.json file, it can actually edit the setting. But if you're on another kind of file, you can actually use this for debugging. So when you click this, you're actually setting a breakpoint there, right? You can, it doesn't make much sense to set a breakpoint in CSS, but you could set one in JavaScript, for example. So you can add a breakpoint here, remove it, edit, disable it, whatever. So, obviously this is very useful, and by default it's set to true. So I would just leave it as it is.